Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to use the new X Twitter platform for the first time, how to navigate, how to utilize the posting function, how to create hashtags, how to follow trending hashtags, and of course how to get monetized and start earning money. Let's launch the app first. So the first thing you want to focus is on the lower left corner, and this is the lower settings menu. When you click on the house icon over here, you're going to see who you're currently following and what they're currently posting. As you can see, we can adjust this by simply going on the top and swiping on the left side. So we have For You page, which is all the people that probably I'm interested of, all the content that I'm probably interested of, and then swiping back to the right side, it's only people who I'm currently following. Going back to the settings on the lower end, the second section is the magnifying glass, where you're going to find For You page, you're gonna find trending videos and hashtags, you're gonna find news, you're gonna sports, entertainment, so on and so forth. So how everything is structured, let's start from the first part. The first one is kind of combination of everything mixed all together: news, sports, finance, everything that is currently trending in terms of hashtag or particular keywords or videos, as you can see over here, will appear without any particular order or filtration. Then when you swipe on the side, then you're gonna have a little filtration over here. You're gonna see what is trending currently in the United States, okay? And then you have numbers all the way, usually up to 29. So this is getting a little more niche. Swiping on the side, then you're gonna get what is currently trending in each of the categories around the world, not only in the US. We have trending in business and finance, we have trending in S&P 500, trending in technology, so on and so forth. So the more you swipe on the right, the more niche it gets. The next one will be what is currently trending in sports. The next one will be what is trending in entertainment. This is how simple it is to navigate. Now, if we go down again to the settings and you will click on the center icon, which is like a small square with a small dash in it, you will launch the Grok AI, which is a ChatGPT version of Twitter. The only way you can use the Grok AI is simply to be subscribed as a premium user here on the platform. As usual, you all know you have to pay to get the verification badge, and this also comes with the subscription plan from the X platform. The next section is your notification settings. As you can see, currently I have 6 notification settings. I do have alarms, in which means that I do have replies or retweets or comments on my tweets. The next section is the messages. This is where you're going to find all of your communication with someone, business or professional, either personal, or if you have a particular complaint with certain company, brand, or particular report. Sometimes even Twitter can actually contact you through here. Now let me show you how you can get monetized and what is the process of monetization. You want to go ahead and click on the upper left corner on your profile picture. When you're at your settings menu, you want to click on monetization. Currently there are 2 different ways to monetize your channel, your page. The first option is to get people to subscribe to you and be a paid subscribers on a monthly basis. They will be paying a small fee to support you as a creator. The second option is simply to share revenue with Twitter. You know how there is small ads in between the comments on each tweet. This is where usually money are made. So the more engagement you have, the more comments you have, the more ads Twitter can put in between the comments, and the more money you're gonna make. Essentially, guys, this is the simple, very powerful walk through the platform. Now you know the basics and you know how to operate. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.